This 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Mousse Decor, Wicker Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, Sleeps 4, Skylight, Awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, microwave, self-contained, TV, slideout, stove-top burner, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.